Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is starting to take shape. While its official launch is still a few weeks away, expected in July. Leaks have already given us a glimpse of what's in store. Samsung might finally be making its foldables slimmer, potentially achieving this by adopting a wider design. In this article, we cover everything known about the Galaxy Z Fold 7 so far. As development progresses, more details will surface and we'll keep this page updated with the latest information. The most recent update was on June 17, 2025. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 looks set for a major design overhaul. The first set of leaked renders confirmed rumors of a thinner and wider profile. When we say thinner, we mean it. Early rumors suggested the upcoming Samsung Foldable would be just 4.5mm thick when unfolded and 9.5mm when folded. To recall, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 measures 5.6mm unfolded and 12.1mm folded. That's a dramatic reduction in thickness in just one generation. But wait until you hear the latest figures. New insider reports suggest the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will have a total folded thickness of just 8.9mm, while Samsung even tested a prototype with a total thickness of 8.2mm, but that seemingly didn't materialize. Nonetheless, at 8.9mm, the Fold 7 incredibly slim. Notably, it measures only 3.9mm when unfolded, excluding the rubber bumpers around the display. The total unfolded thickness with those bumpers is 4.5mm, which is what the original leak said. Based on leaks, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 has a dimension of 158.4 by 143.1 by 3.9mm. In comparison, the Fold 6 measures 153.5 by 132.6 by 5.6mm. As you can see, the new Fold is taller and wider than its predecessor, allowing Samsung to equip it with larger screens on the inside and outside. This should also help it retain a large battery despite a massive reduction in thickness. The images below compare the Fold 7 and Fold 6's right shape and size. It isn't difficult to imagine that the Galaxy Z Fold 7's redesign required Samsung to come up with a new hinge design too. The company had to develop a thinner hinge without compromising on durability. Early leaks say the upcoming Fold's reworked hinge enhances structural integrity while improving long-term reliability. Samsung has incorporated new dust protective brushes along the hinge to block dust and debris from entering the phone. The device may also feature a titanium black plate for a slimmer and lighter design without compromising on its strength. It's unclear if the Korean giant developed a new hinge mechanism or made the existing hinge thinner with structural changes. It has consistently improved the foldable hinge to reduce display creases and improve reliability for a smoother folding experience. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 should bring notably improvements in all areas, including the display crease. The annoying line in the middle of the screen is almost gone, reports suggest. A bigger profile means the new foldable will feature an expensive cooling system as well, ensuring efficient heat dissipation. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the back and an armor aluminum side frame for a strong and durable build within a super slim form factor. With a thickness of just about 4mm, when unfolded, durability remains a concern. Samsung must have paid close attention to ensure the Galaxy Z Fold 7 withstands bends. The latest report about the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is that Samsung has begun mass production of key components. This comes right on the heels of reports that the company will unveil the new foldable in early July. The launch event, which the Korean firm calls Galaxy Unpacked, could take place in New York, USA. If we are to guess, Samsung might hold the event on July 9. The company has already started gathering regulatory approval for the new foldables, with leaks showing promo banners. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to come in 4 colors: Silver Shadow, Blue Shadow, Jet Black, and Coral Red. These are the standard options available. Globally, Samsung may offer a few additional shades exclusively through its online store. Coming to its price, Samsung is rumored to keep its foldable prices unchanged this year. If true, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 should start at $1,900 in the US. Of course, that's not cheap, but the company likely is in no position to lower the price, more so after the recent US tariffs. Well, Samsung did increase its foldable prices by $100 last year, so it makes sense for the Korean firm to keep those unchanged this year. There are some rumors of a price hike in select markets though.